My sister, who is there? Album Johnny, welcome. Chingman. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Our true comrades, we must liberate the homeland. Share, you come hit the share button. Oh, Masita Kubi, welcome. Oh, Sunday, à trouver sa lot. La share, you share. Hit the share button. We enjoy this music. Bumba Paco, à trouver sa lot. Ah, trouver sa lot, Bumba Paco. Oh, my brother Wizzy, I see you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We will go to the show proper. When you come, don't forget to hit your share button. We get a lot for talk today. As far as the revolution be concerned. Facebook will block me again for 3 days, so they just uplift the ban today. So any list mistake we will make them, Facebook will block we. So I don't know why they monitor our activities. Any list mistake we do on our Facebook just block we. But we know we stay for fight. When they block, anytime they already block, we'll come back. We'll talk the very talk. We must keep the message. We must send the message through. We must pass the message out. We will create different platforms. Them. We even praise me Donald Trump County that he sometimes will use them. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we have good evening, and I wish all my happy weekend wherever we are there. We'll be sorry to say for some time we never come for online because Facebook be block my account, say I be violate the standard wait because of ambassador, because this platform is talking only about ambassador. So if they block me, we know say we don't post something where Facebook no like them, where it there for advantage, but Facebook no like them. My brother Larry, welcome. Okay, we go first to talk about the happenings where it don't take place all over the week. Before we go to the show proper, we don't see footages and videos where they come all the way from the buoy, where our boys they do a very marvelous job for that site for buoy. I give the kudos. I said the 21 gun salute. Say me they keep the candle burning as the candle burn. Now so our victory is near. So I want to thank even our restoration fighters all the way from the BLM, our great free marshal. We don't hear what to hear when I don't do them. I say kudos, 21 gun salute. And all the way our fighters, all the way from Manu County, where we don't keep the lockdown short. We don't keep the lockdown short. You don't keep the lockdown short. Yeah, I say man don't block that La Republic flag where he parade my platform. I don't want to see that flag, even it can have a good on a bat. I don't want to see that flag for my platform. So I say man don't take it off. So I want to thank our brave fighters for the Manu County and our boys for Bali for a job well done. Our fighters for Manfe, that's Manu County. They don't make me proud during the week and for the lockdown, because as for where to gather, intelligence of gather, they say La Republic run fight. La Republic run fight. Because they say our boys will be there at alert at all time. We get reports from people them from Nigeria where they give you reports say that our boys them level no day. So I want to thank our restoration fighters all the way from Manu County. Say we thank we never keep the candle burning. We therefore support we now 100% till we reach Boya. And don't forget our fighters from Mesa County, where we don't see video where they cut and cut, tete with La Republic, and La Republic the big ball run. We see how La Republic they do with Amoka. Our restoration fighters, they wet them. La Republic they bend their tail and gum duck. They enter bush. Oh man, I think we don't see that video where our restoration fighter they stand They tell La République, say, they come. La République, ici, a trained military man, he bend the tail and gun dog, he enter for backside, he go hide, they go. Our town, our fighters, all the way from Mezam, they will sit down the Mezam fighters, the Mezam County, for do a marvelous job. I hope say the man where they take away being a director of DDR, I hope say they not only serve the judgment. I hope say we only serve the judgment for the betrayal, the traitor, where we arrest them for our county of Mezam. I hope say we don't serve the judgment. We don't need to see the judgment way. We don't serve it. They will take them the way we not jam. Thank you so much. And then we still go for Fako Meme Black Tag Council, where we see our boys them all the way from Malende. The Fako Meme Black Tag Council, we see a great job where we do them all the way from Fako County. We don't see even the back footage this way. This one a Molanjo, one I call a Molan, one a Molanjo. When I wait that Mareko is the chief. Where you don't go take some boy way, not be fighter, he make a propaganda with a small pistol for your hand. But we don't tell you, say, me continue to do that job. It is a big number. As far as it is inside the territory of Amazonian, we go picking the fish. Me just continue. They say 99 days for a thief, 1 day for the honor, and we, the Amazonian, will own the land. And we go take it. We go take it. Anytime, so soon. So, I want to give kudos to all our restoration fighters. The one I never mention, General No Pity. Would you see you? We'll never forget you. Would you see you a great job? Then I see the restoration fighters all the way from Dawara. We don't see some videos where they emanate all the way from Dawara, where our fighters, they show their bravery, they show how well they demonstrate, how well they kumba, how well they challenge the trained military force for La République du Cameroon, all the way from Dawara. We say kudos. Notwithstanding all the fighters, where they fight for liberate the homeland, where they fight a genuine fight for say more rich Goya, where they fight for defense the flag of the Federal Republic of Ambazonian. I salute all una cafe day. Man, not forget our recent act where it take place all the way from Momo County. Our brave fighters, the way they demonstrate, they take the bodyguards from the DO, the colonial DO of Momo. I want to say kudos to our fighters, especially the fighters from Momo. I don't say that it's slow, but anytime I go outside and come out, now newspaper they give una report. I want to give una kudos because for the last time we'll be here with now La République news. If you give the message for we. No, now even when I be giving the message, now La République newspaper and the news organ CRTV, they be giving news for the attack when I be attack the DOs for Njikwa. That's on the site. I give una kudos, and now when I don't see come again, when I lie low, when I come again, as when I come out outside, now La République to see give you the news. How when I move the police officer where the guide the deal. So we want to tell the deal say if you don't move your bodyguard, then what about you? Your days the big numbers, the colonial deals, because if you take your bodyguard, not say you not be safe. Yes, because if you never kill your Mexican, that means say you will go take Mexican for that Mexican, and then we something will kill the Mexican. That means say you will not be safe. So kudos to all our restoration fighters. We see when I work them. No, not the way when they do away with this yam. If we not have a up, but we put our record. All the statistics it be recorded. So I told when I salute 21 go salute one more once more for a good work way when they do. Now, okay, we go now before one go to breaking news for what will happen for Momo. Some person be there where I'm going to invite you for the show, but he never show up. Ghana move, but if he no come, I go break the story. I broke the coconut. I tell everything where it take place on inside Mogamo LGA, the breaking news where it don't take place on Mogamo LGA within the week. So, but if Ghana no come, I go talk, but I go start with others before he come. But if he no come, then I go to the breaking news for Mogamo LGA. Now, I go start with my response to UN. If I say my response to UN, me some people don't take me saying why UN where we talk, why UN where always support our own activists. No, I mean my response to the UN Security Council. We now the watch one American Prime and the other news organs, newspaper, they report say UN. He don't talk say Anglophone crisis, you know, there for agenda anytime soon. Say they still monitor the war for Ambazonian. Now, my response to UN, not I say I blast UN or I say I want give a negative comment. I want to thank the UN Security Council for throwing that light, for telling us the truth. I want to thank them so much for telling us the truth. Say our case, you know, there with our table so soon. That one the tell we say, that one the tell we say, we don't fight, but we never fight enough. That one the tell we say, wait where UN Security Council one share for we will never do them. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens. Now only student where teacher go fail you. You go attack that teacher. You miss a dog student. Yeah, because any student where you read, you fail. It means and that's a small mistake the way you do them. Now that mistake make you fail exam. You go repeat that exam, then you see your weakness. You see which side you go wrong. You go read harder. You pass the exam. For teacher, for give you a fair mark, not be say he hate you. Now for correct you say, what you will do, you not correct. Go prepare hard, read hard, so that you know you come back. The message was UN Security Council is passing for Ambazonian. We will not go take a weakness. We will take like a challenge where the UN, the day we say, they never see what we don't do. UN, the day we say, they never see what we don't do. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, some people in the way they want to go heaven, but they don't want to die. Some people in the way they want to go heaven, but they don't want to die. So we Ambazonian will not be declared for independence. Independence need to come like biscuits. Independence need to come like gold. Independence need to come like chop where you cook today. It done. Then you share and people they chop. More look country they don't fight for independence. Ask yourself. Will be prepared. More look, reflect, look country they don't fight for liberate ourselves and they liberate ourselves. We ask ourselves, say, now which level we don't fight rich? We ask ourselves, say, we don't fight rich for which level? One thing for sure, we, the Ambazonian, we be the defenders. We will defend our territory. We get another one. We will defend our homeland. We never shall go offensive with the Republic. We will never shall go offensive with the Republic. And now, time don't reach where the dance, the music, where the UN Security Council want to play, me the dance. We never play that music. The music where international body, they want to play, me the dance. We never play that music. We don't say we don't play music. We don't play music. But the music, not all music where you go play and then get views, or you get people that like the music. Some people don't like the music, so another people don't like the music. But in the majority, you go see whether they like that music or not. Now the world is the proof for Ambassador say the music will the play, we go arrange, we perfect ourselves, we come back to the competition. Now wait that way you and the time will tell we. You already tell we because we first time there because if they not be factual enough, they will tell us yes, our case is there with a table, and they will get the hope. Yes, you don't talk to our case they will at table. They will do the relax. Then like probably the Kiwi time to go like probably the Kiwi. We only call UN. We call UN every day. Time the party go, but UN now. The tell we say, may we prepare harder. If you hear, they talk about it, say there is still monitor. They don't want to say they move their eye. They don't want to say they say there is still monitor. For see our resistance. You expect our tough resistance. I want to tell Ambassador people, war is all about destruction. I'm saying war. Now the language is that way. One win war, we more use it. If we believe ourselves, so we fight to war. War is all about destruction. When they be defeat Germany for First World War, the world be vexed with Germany. Not because the number of troops or where to where German or why the way German be killer. They be vexed now because of destruction. The level of destruction, they were in fear for fight death where war, not because of number of human beings. Okay. Now the level of destruction where it go destroy and for rebuild back, it don't go easy. If we rebuild back, it don't go easy. We are Brazilian. We need for start destroy anything where it give La Republic money. Mo no mind say na what thing. Say when we destroy them tomorrow, they will come back. What you will use? The other people when they be do them, now how they do? Now how they don't rebuild their own system now. War are all about destruction. If you and never see we will bomb some place, see, if you and never see we bomb some public building, don't forget about La Republic. I mean inside Ambazonian, the one you say your government building is sleep, now explosive. Don't forget with the use ammo car, yes, that one will be up, that one a shop where our boys attack ammo car, they do that one a shop. But if you and never see we just say yes. We the shot Sonora down, we destroy now everything shot Sonora down. CDC they do it. Now dressing in this, we now set fire. Briefly design contract with CDC. They will laugh. When we cut off here, someone say, some people will say, we not supposed to say me the bomb CDC. We get us destroy anything where it get La Republic interest inside our territory. Because what the CDC they do? It will light fire for CDC. It burn the whole plantation, burn rubber, banana, everything. We burn everything. I think that was what we do. We send CDC down. Because we need to benefit anything. It instead give La Republic momentum. It instead give La Republic. Because if we burn CDC now, Britain, it will tell La Republic, say, nobody will tell you, say, a no security day. Problem with them among themselves. Problem with them. We get to start destroy. And it beg our restoration fighters, the LGH, when we will start for do explosive way, we study. We do explosive way if you put that under some building. You don't go like a finance building. You put that inside so that the next as it explodes, the whole building come down. That one is destruction. We get without cut bridges. Where the link, where we think say La Republic use that bridges for come our villages, burn our houses. We burn the bridges. We give La Republic hard time. We burn the bridges. Now the war that we know the fight war. They will talk say me the metal them road, me the block. So people say that will give our people pain. Say that will stress our people. Then one win war hard. One win war hard. Where people not suffer. One win war hard, people not suffer. People must suffer before you get what you want. No, not in any kind of biscuit. You must suffer. So now the statement that way you and talk say it is still monitor for see we. It is monitor for see the public action. You and talk say it is monitor that will see. It is monitor that will see the public action. So my brothers and sisters, we get to know. Say the war, we fight this war alone. We fight this war alone. And we're going to put all our strategies in place. We're going to put all our strategies in place for win this war. When you see the mag when they come, even American Revolution, when I 486 or waiting, that American Revolution, it don't be pending. American it don't be pending because they want to see what more resistance. America don't jump in when the Republic is staying say. If the tribe will calm down situation till they go in, till they go for no mercy, then they will just pop in. Now we will get to make America that resolution be effective. Now ambassador. Now we will do anything we want them. Now the music that way, and it also in the world, say who play the music where they fit dance because the music where they play they no fit dance the music. You need to go. You need to go. Because our action, it need to speak volume for international body. Because of it, sympathy. Francophone the Rota inside ambassador anyhow. In the core military, it show our boys them say they be blacklet, we leave them. Agency the way that the Republic they operate anyhow. There we talk saying 115 war agency. La Republic go for market, go collect tax for our parents. Then we say we fight. We give to do something where we give to inflict the international body. They monitor. They know very well say La Republic is suppressed we, and they know say we get a genuine case. But now how we give to fight? Now a tough resistance. We give Takara. See, they fight them now and say, you know where you get to that team. So man can seize that team for your hand by force. You hold that team. You just say, Dan me for give this team. When you cover up, then you press your hand for move that team. You just say, Dan you for lose your hand, you give that team for that man. But I say you press the team, you spoil. They all na two na loss. That your enemy for succeed. That's what we're supposed to do. That's what we're supposed to say. That La Republic for succeed. We better destroy everything we are about to get them. Now the war that La Republic for succeed, we destroy all things where we think say we get away, go benefit we. Freedom, just the freedom where you get them. Forget about the property. Just the freedom where you get them. We go rebuild our back. We get one of the best soil, fertile soil. You plant banga na 2 years, rubber 3 years. You don't start. You plant tea, everything. So why would you waste your time? We're going to destroy everything. La Republic will pas go. La Republic will pas go. And I tell you now, plenty also run. The world will tire them. The world will tire them. As I talk now, plenty. Bameleke, they don't go all.
Now Bulu and the other charges, the remain for Cameroon military, and give na is intelligence. So you see, even then, those that tired the war, but you don't need now we for 45. Now government, now public government, is still fool them. Say the war, they don't win the war, but we never win the war. So we the Ambazonian, we get for activate Operation Destroy. We get for activate Operation Destroy anything we link with La Republic. We destroy bridges. Nothing in that they win war. I don't know who I don't know, but thank God say we don't get Comrade Willie all the way from Manu. Now the real advocate for war. Comrade Willie, that's the real people that will find them. Say they start lead this revolution, Comrade Willie, because when you understand, say we did for war, when you understand, because some people never they contribute for the revolution. Trump supporter of the revolution. I mean, say Trump patriotic supporter of the revolution. When you talk on TV, they say no, hey, that one no go fine. You go hurt our population. You go hurt this. Hey, they will win. La République, it hurt our population. See, La République do the strategy of burning. The strategy of burning housing for La République. That will inflict pain for which of surrender. Una listen. The strategy for La République for burn our villages. Now will inflict more pain so that we surrender. And when I see that they kill our fighter display that comes so that we see them, we be demoralized, we surrender. But what we will do for inflame pain for La République for send people to run. La République na sabotage. They go back run. They go back run. Any bridge where government build, we see that fine bridge. We bomb the bridge. You know how much you take to build one bridge? Even just cover itself. You know how much you take? We destroy everything. Now our land. We get the capability to do one. We get the capability to do one. If you come to commercial avenue, you see that La République PD. We don't even need for waste time. We plan them even about 6 months. 6 months planification. As I will succeed. With the year breaking money, say that building they done. That building they done. So, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, now they respond that way you and want from we. You and one destruction from us. You and 1 year cry. In 1 year say the whole Ambazonian the panic. Whoa, yeah, that thing that and the thing that they wear 1 year. But you see, play quiet. Oh man, they go school. Oh, they go stand this. Then they expect. Even me, I be UN. Even me, I be UN. I go talk so. I go talk so. So, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we get to activate. Our actually now, UN don't activate we. Me all my take I say, UN don't activate we. Now, we go block the road functions. We're blocking the road. Operation block the road. Now another one to that way in the world. When I see America no succeed war for Vietnam. No be now because Vietnam be overget machinery. Vietnam be overget. Vietnam be know their terrain. Vietnam be know their terrain very well. And the strategy when they implement them, one of them be a block roads, destroy, set trap. Now, I give you reasons why we block roads. La République will hear back. First, I tell you that when you block roads, when La République here say some road don't block. First, the number of military when they will go for that road, they will increase. The number of military they will go, it will increase. And as the number of military increase, expenditure it increase. Now when the expenditure increase, and now they will face economic crisis. For example, as we block a Ekok road, La République not stand military right from Manfred to Ekok. No way. And they don't even know how our fighters will stand. So they confused. They don't know. La République will spend more money for keep military along that road. That one, like expenditure for that side. Secondly, when you block roads, what did you do? You did delay your enemy for reach for Saturday day. That means you make the activity slow. For example, before they want to move that baby stone, or stone and move up, they call caterpillar. And now when you block the road, you don't even know, say they don't come. You don't delay their activity. You don't delay them very well. Second, thirdly, when you block road, what did you do? You get advantage. Enough advantage there for you for set trap. Because if you want to set your trap, when you don't block road, you will delay the activity. As you delay the activity, as they delay, you get enough momentum. You get enough time for set your trap. So that when they come, they fall inside that trap. Yes. So now the strategy that way block the road. Like Bonge Road. I tell you something. When they say block road, you know me say you don't go block road anyhow. We have to decide because when La République it talk say activities go normal. Activities go normal. Okay, when the ambassador will say, okay, we want make una know say activities need to go normal. You block Bonge Road. Say 1 week, no motor to pass on Bonge Road. Una put una barrier. I know say they will come, will come over. Una put barrier. They will come. But just they coming, it don't inflict economic loss for them. They will come with the barrier with a lot of amoka. But we now stop, now block the road for 1 week. When I hear say that road in the past for 1 week, people go cry. As people they cry, their voice go up. International body get that. See, we get NGO over down where they give daily report. We get NGO over down where they give daily report. When I know say this each day happen for Manfred, La République not get control. They only give report. Say international border between Cameroon and Nigeria. Now we will control them. We block them for 2 weeks. Initiation will get control. When they want to make them, it will happen. We block them. When people cry, people go feel the pain. But they have pain now. International body 1 year. For say our people they cry, then they come for the rescue. International body no here say Amber cry or military cry. Because here say civilians are crying. Then they feel pain. They come for rescue. Now the thing that was supposed to do. Now the thing that for roadblock. Don't decide. And the top fighter, don't decide. Now see I don't vex. Kumba. Douala Road. Block. So that means La République no say it no get control over Ambassador. Because La République no say na only go stand. What you have to do again? After go stand, what you have to do? Intelligence, strategies. We supposed to implement strategies every day strategy to come. Strategy 1 no work. We do this. We aim at that big strategy 2. We go succeed. We supposed to do strategy every plan A, B, C. Because as you do A, La République wise, you keep a B, you keep direct. Direct. That's all we're supposed to do. That's all we're supposed to do. That's it. So if we will not block roads, La République don't use La République the great roads. So they get the guts for great roads. For great roads. They say reconstruction. With the liver, The great road. And I rode Amoka the Kappa with speed. Amoka, where Amoka Kappa with speed. How if you set trap? The road people were so that when they delay, you set trap fine. When gallop there, it makes so that is slow. After we prepare fine for strike them. When they delay, now what we see, it be very difficult. You see explosive for tar because they pass. He had for tar. But as we get advantage for our bush roads, we make use of the bush road. But not green, me create any road. In like the civilian of that play the riot, say muna green, we are not green, we are not green. In like the civilian of that area, they stay muna deliver me the green, we are not green. They will use that road na key. Because they know say racism will now control the territory. They will use that road na key, my brothers and sisters. We not green, we get any road for Ambassador. We not green. We will not green a beg. They will use that road. We now green a great road. Now say trapper. Because when a great road, we now dig small ground. Like how we see for buoy, away we set trap. Because the road be different, they discover it. But if you be the road, grass there did this, grass there, now leave a grass grow, now don't discover it. As I pass, now hit them. Now people know. Now why that? They know. We don't see even picture where they do plank bridge, where they try to arrange bridge. But I don't tell you, I say, we are not hurry. That kind of bridge in the Republic arrange, I will not plan them. As I let it go, we are throw petrol, light them. Now we are control the territory. As they go, we are throw petrol to that bridge, light them. Now plan all things fry, because they find a means for enter, for cause havoc. If you don't get means of enter, my brother, that way we find this fight when we just start, and the Republic find very difficult for penetrate with. And now we know say we get a lot of black legs for this revolution. The only thing that will protect ourselves. We are not here for the only thing that will protect ourselves. We are not say we don't dig roads. We not so road we not supposed to cut ourselves. Cut. I mean say for before day one break, we not only dig very big cut and cut the roads. Carry the ground go try the mow. You know where mow the dig ground where for whoever is he carry the ground go try very far. Because when I keep the ground there, the Ogatic can cover and back. My brothers and sisters, we there for war. We there for war. And Brazilian people when I woke up, we there for war. We there for war. Now this one take me to the Biafran. Fellow Ambassadors, fellow citizens, we don't see the footages for Ayabacho and the other gang where they talk to get an alliance with the Biafran. I hope the most activists don't talk, plenty people don't talk. I say me to add my own voice. I want to add my voice. One thing for sure, Biafrans, no be our people. I want to see when we use grit, selfishness, because if not now you the pilot the train, that train nothing move. You better destroy. Now you kill some of you Ambassadors. Because now you know they will talk. Better say spoil. I've been very so ashamed when I see that post for Facebook. I show my friend, they say, but you don't go this one, I wish can live with this. This one I wish can live with this. Even these people be talk say they want work an alliance. An alliance for the Facebook, an alliance on social media. I say, I will ask myself, say, but maybe I say Dr. Ayabacho and doctor. All them John Bakuro the way to make and he asked plenty question. Say, so these people don't take their academic profile or background, throw out for bush because of grit. Because my tell you something. When Ayabacho and all the John Bakure do, they know say it's not correct. They know very well say not correct, and even the Biafran know. And even the Biafran, they know what say what way would you do so it's not correct. They know very well. Any educated man, he will not say what way this people do is not correct. See, any alliance like that one, any alliance like that one, it is gonna behind the doors. When you treat the business behind doors, it end behind doors. But when I go publicize them, Biafran is not a state, it's not a country. You want to seek relevance, go for a country. I know, say some of them, they want to do it because say me and Basunia people insisted they form a coalition. When I don't come out for Norwegian, that means when I don't come out for Europe. Europe no dey exist again na African. So they start talk say na we must ourselves forget about Europe. When na them they talk say the Norwegian negotiation go on. But I want tell our people something. Man don't tell na way. Some man go to say ben a good move. I want shape all the ADF supporters. Say if you are not advice, you are boss. Say this move is a wrong move. That means you will not be honest with yourself. If any man when see the move, you know, advice. Dr. Ayabacho said, this move is a wrong move. That means you will support this struggle now because of sometimes you get some benefit. Matter on one. Nigeria and Cameroon, they don't get strong alliance. Cameroon, you fight by all means, forget a strong treaty with Nigeria. We give another one. Cameroon, you fight all means, forget a strong alliance in Nigeria so that they will combat the Ambazonian. So that Nigerian military they will enter for Ambazonian, the combat, then they are onto the enter. But Nigeria never give that chance. And Biafran is the threatening Nigerian government. It's a threat. We have another one. Biafran is a threat, total threat with Nigeria government. And now, Nigerian government is finding way to combat the Biafran. Then we get a genuine case where we get a flag, we get map, we get everything. And then now we go now to support Biafran publicly, support Biafran publicly, my brothers and sisters. They are our brothers behind. Will never be a state. We want go, which kind of alliance we form now? Because I don't see say some of them don't see this revolution because they not be the destroyer because they do as soon as say me Nigeria tight border. They do want do as soon as say me Nigeria tight our border and make Cameroon sign that treaty with Nigeria. Because now Cameroon will take them. Show with Nigeria say see them. Now that people in that way, because we now know say even though they will arrest our leaders for Nigeria, not even all Nigerians, they support that deportation of our leaders. And Nigeria court, it rule judgment in our favor. But due to the fact that Nigeria government to be so corrupt, you know, take the words of the judge, you know, take the resolution of the court. But I would not say when Ambazonian want start join Biafran, I want to tell Ambazonian people something. Not be all Igbo people be Biafran. We'll give another one very well. Not be all man for Nigeria, I mean the Igbo, you support Biafra. Where you go jeopardize our refugees. You know, say our refugees for Nigeria, they register under Nigeria government, they don't register under Biafran. And if Nigeria government fumble, say me they go, we go do what? If they start drive our refugees, start telling the world say we will support terrorism. Say we will support terrorism. Who's will go stand? Nigeria join when Nigerian government join La Republic for fight we. Who's will stand? Biafra never win Nigerian government. They both defeat them. They never win. My brothers and sisters, any man where it is support Ayabacho, he never tell you say this move is a wrong move. And you see, it's a very good move behind the door. And you don't know I'm a pigeon. Now what I tell you, it's a very good move behind the door. Because already, them surround we. Now they surround we. Easy access to our materials. Where we take them behind the doors. But now you can't make a publicly because you want get ambassador people trust. No be that so. Because you want get ambassador people trust. Because ambassador people lose trust una. Now whether una bring that kind, I don't know if it because the worst thing that they ever happened in revolution. That thing so. And the worst thing that ever happened for the revolution. They want me to call me terrorists. They want me to call me terrorists. They want me to call me terrorists because you get genuine case. But why, as I say, why they call the Biafran terrorists? When some people say, move forget about the world, go about Africa. Then why, even African countries, they call Biafra terrorists. Why they need to call we, the ambassador terrorists? Why they need to call we, my brothers and sisters? We see how we get a genuine case. We see how we grit, power, tossing. It kill we. Despite the fact say, he know, Ayabacho know, John Bakro know. I be first see that thing this guy, this foolish man will fulfill and call it. I be first see, I don't say he end that level. I don't know, say educated doctor. They call doctor. There you see another one doctor. I guess another one there for when I say Barisawiti. Them too. Because they not there for their own tune. Their ambassador revolution just spoil. Because when they want their ambassador people don't deny. Say they want walk in this way, then they give us spoil them. Then they carry we go for Nigeria. Man tell me something. So what Igbo man be tell me something say not clear. So what Igbo man be tell me something say Biafran. When the Biafran they win their war, they will get 30 for ambassador. I know very well. And I want to talk to so any man with the work of Biafra man, ask about Bakassi. Me tell a version where he go give you about Bakassi. No, I don't ask them. Ask them about saying no about Bakassi. Go hear that version. My brothers and sisters, there are steps to take. When we foster this revolution. Step in the way if we foster the revolution. Behind the scene. That means automatically the agency we say when they get an alliance for go do a diplomatic move, me with small weapon. Because wait way ADF or na AGC fit do with Biafran. Now we say we get easy access for material for enter. But don't blow the alarm aside. Is that a secret? Now a diplomatic move. Because Biafra is not a state. They not be country. They will form alliance with them behind. Then meeting they enter. Black rap in the enter. Now they don't black out. Nigeria you wake up Nigerian government and say, so now these people, where will they support now? Because of people they support, even the government support say, now where will they keep refugees? This now want to destroy my country. You will see. We will suffer. But I want to thank God for our interim government. For the disclaimer. Distance themselves. Which country we don't ever see do all that thing with these people they do? Which leader for the world they ever see? Even when I get behind. People they contact the interim government behind. People they do this behind. Which person that ever see her. Let me say, when Ayabacho indirectly tell we say, when some country will one lobby for behind, For say go support Ambassador, they will bring up Facebook all the world don't know say the country one lobby behind automatically because if Biafra people love you now put up with the whole social media. I'm saying that indirectly when they say they don't be fit for rule Ambassador. Yes, we'll be talking over big talk, big grammar, big grammar, no be leadership. For that stand for media, you talk big grammar, no be leadership. Leadership and management. How have you managed situation? How have you managed the camp? They don't fool you. Some few people fool you. Tell me put on Facebook. You take things and hide them back. You put on Facebook say you John Biafra. With you who? Who's Ambassador John Biafra? Who's Ambassador? Now you get Ambassador. Now you get Ambassador. Oh God. Oh, we don't suffer. Anyway, since we're Ghana come, we might give the breaking news. From Mogamo LGA, we can share. We might give the breaking news. Yes, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, I hope some of you don't see listening my audio where I seen them within the week. I began to put on Facebook, post on Facebook, but since Facebook will block me, I know if you post, I know if you comment, nothing. So, the breaking news where it comes from Mogamo LGA, not be a news where we hear say we don't kill Ekelebe, not be a news where Ekelebe don't kill we, not be a news where we don't destroy, not be a news where we don't do this. Over 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we will get some incident that happen inside Mogamo LGA. And where it don't happen, not be 1 time, not be 2 times. As far as commando, it be concerned. A commando that know as the general commando, it be concerned. We don't get reports of atrocities where commando the commit with civilians, it molest civilians, not only molest, it kill civilians, it bury them alone. It don't happen. The Mogamo people know very well what way at the top. No be 1, no be 2, no be 3. Where commando don't do them. The last incident where he killed a very brave and courageous coordinator. If he did like coordinator for Mogamo LGA, when I coordinate all the fighters, but because commando. If it's commando duty, they don't like him. And commando say will move for him up. Commando be killing. Commando kill it better at the place. You know, if he kill the cops for his family. After the brainstorming, because of the Mogamo LGA groups, it be very disturbed. I mean, the whole that week, if he be there inside Mogamo LGA, now this. So people be say, okay, we get leaders, we get executive for Mogamo LGA. Who give them, they go decide, find out. Because we not be no year say, a year say, other a year say, it didn't make sense. So the leader will give you some time. Say me, any man be patient enough. They will do all their best, the maximum best, for cut out the truth and the resolution as far as the incident be concerned. So after all, was it on Thursday or not? Thursday, they will come out with a resolution after finding commando guilty of all the allegations. They found him guilty, and they will take a decision, and where that decision will be accepted for the whole Mogamo, the executive. I talk the mouth of the executive. I am an activist. Even though someone they try to attack me, say this is. I need dismiss commando. I need be put commando of that place. I need be meanwhile control commando. And I'm not even member of the executive. I need be member of the executive. If I need information, I call the chairman of Mogamo LGA, or I call this. What did he go on? I call the chief of this thing. What did he go on? He briefed me. I did be able Mogamo LGA. The same like the other LGA, like activists. And here, case, and call this one, they go to chair. I say, wait till you go on. I hear say, General, no, people don't do it. And he give me a story. I can't tell people. So, I give this story, not this story, the resolution. Commando has been dismissed. Commando has been dismissed, not by Eriko Akaba, by the executive. I don't even know the resolution, but Commando has been dismissed and been suspended for 9 months. That is the resolution that. So, he's no more a general in Mogamo LGA. And now, Mogamo LGA don't get any general. Mogamo LGA get 5 camps. And that five camps, you get captains. And it ends so. So, and the commando will come every day, he will remain there like the captain after he mandate for suspension. He don't finish. Now, because when I talk to some people, say, I dare against commando. Commando is a great fighter. Me, I will be talk plenty time. But I need the condo. I be one man where I will tell you directly, I'm up say, anytime when you take your gun, you kill a civilian, I will find out when they put you down. That one are facts. You don't kill 100 kelebe. You don't destroy this, but we kill one innocent civilian. Your power, other power, they die. I don't even care for no one. You don't fight only for Israel. You don't fight this. You don't. But by the time when you kill one not innocent civilians, that's why Ambassador they operate. Then the jail generals them. Well, I want to tell them they know very well. Then the jail general they go for court where they kill only one person. I want a general will defend the whole country. But they commit only one crime. Then they carry go court and they jail you. So we not think say we are fighter, we not escape. And they will tell we say we keep documentation. We will go for court for ICE. We now go for prison after this revolution. We not go take gun where we not fight military for the key innocent civilians because you don't die to your tune. That way you will be there when the war will be there. You know because police, you not because police people. You don't be God, you don't be a God. More don't tolerate warlords. And this one you go to all the LGAs. Not be only Mohammed don't do one. LGA don't step down, captain, step down this. Now so Ambassador Revolution give work. We not go be where you commit crimes against humanity, kill civilians, and then with the devil diaspora, we contribute money, you send them, you take a buy granite, put her inside a stick. Instead of go fight military, you take a civilian, you kill them. Not only kill, you kill and bury them. That uncalled for. You know, there's of Mogamo culture. Like you kill person, you bury the person. Now, when I talk many attacks, they can attack me. You attack me, I don't care. But when you attack me, you know, say me, I talk the truth. When you attack me, you know, say me, I talk the truth. That attack, you don't get anything to do because by the time you talk the truth, the air your mind will be free. By the time you get lie, with the lie. Now you know. So, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, now the resolution that way it come out for the Mogamo LGA as far as Mogamo it be concerned. And I think maybe you don't go for the Momo County in general, and they will take into it the internal government and all the body that be because the chairman of the Mogamo LGA now one of the cabinet for I think they don't hear you. So fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens will end for a year by telling us, say, we get for war, we get for speak the language of war, then we get for activate ourselves for no say, we get for war, destroy anything concerning the Republic of Cameroon. Thank you so much for watching and we stay blessed.